Hey, Mr. G, and I want to show you 3 really easy guitar licks to learn, okay? So let me show you these licks, and I'm playing mainly out of the A minor pentatonic scale, but of course you can move the shape up and down the fretboard. Now the first lick I'm going to do looks like this. And let's slow that down and let's break that down for you. I'm going to come over here on the 3rd string of the 7th fret with my ring finger. And I'm going to play that note and I'm going to kind of bend it upwards. You can do a half step, whole step. And that'll be your first note in that lick. And then the next 2 or 3 notes actually, you're going to take that index finger and place it on the 5th fret of the 1st and 2nd string. And the first note we're going to play there is on the 2nd string of the 5th fret. Then I'm going to go to the 1st string of the 5th fret and play that note. Then I'm going to go back to the 5th fret, 2nd string and play that note. So you kind of go back and forth between the 2nd and 1st string there on the 5th fret, like. See that? So far it's like this. And then the next note, I'm going to take my little finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret, and I'm going to play that note. And I'm going to pull it off so you hear the other note, which is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string with an index finger. See that? So far it's like this. And then we just end it again with the first note we started with, the ring finger on the 3rd string, 7th fret. So all together it's like this. That's your first lick. Now, let's pretty much use similar notes for your second lick. This is what your second lick sounds like. So the second lick, I'm going to place my little finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret. And I'm going to play that note. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off. And I'm going to have my index here, finger. It's going to be placed on the 1st and 2nd strings of the 5th fret. You see, it's going to be placed right there. So I'm going to take my little finger. I'm going to pull it off I'm going to play that note, then pull it off. And then you're going to hear that note on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then I'll actually play the note on the 1st string, 5th fret. So like this. Now let's do that last lick I'm going to do for you, the 3rd lick. So this lick has some similar notes to the 1st lick. I'm going to take my index finger on the 3rd string of the 7th fret, play that and kind of bend it up. And then the next 2 notes, I'm going to use my index finger there on the 5th fret of the 1st and 2nd strings, and I'll play those notes. I'll play the 2nd string, 5th fret first, and then I'll play the 1st string, 5th fret next. So like this so far. Then I'm going to play this here. I'm going to play these 2 notes together. Place your little finger on the 8th fret, 2nd string, and your ring finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string. Again, I got my little finger on the 8th fret, 2nd string, and I got my ring finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string. And I'll play those notes. You play them together. And then I'll end it here with my index finger on the 2nd and 3rd strings of the 5th fret. The 2nd and 3rd strings of the 5th fret with my index finger. I'll play those notes together. So it kind of ends like this. So like this. Again, Mr. G, hope you enjoy those easy guitar licks. Keep on jamming.